Before termination, verify that all required tools and packaged parts are available. Each bag of parts should include the ZMAX outlet, the termination module, and the icon set. Required tools include the Z-tool, a cable preparation tool, a small flat screwdriver, and a flush cutter. Prepare the cable by stripping approximately 2 inches or 50 millimeters of cable jacket. Remove any ripcord if present, then invert and pull back the foil layer on top of the jacket. Ensure that the foil is flat and completely unfolded with only the conductive side facing out. For best transfer impedance of the ground path, we recommend also wrapping the drain wire on top of the foil, close to the edge of the cable jacket. Isolate any fillers or pair separators from the conductors, and trim off close to the jacket, being careful not to nick any conductors. Now arrange the conductors without crossing any of the cable pairs according to the preferred wire scheme, either T568A or T568B as depicted on either side of the termination module. With the cable in the proper orientation, flex all 4 conductors up slightly and lock into the termination module with a cable retention clip. Be sure the clip captures the cable jacket and not the conductors for proper strain relief. With the cable secured in the module, untwist and lace each pair following the color code shown for proper tip ring arrangement. Simply hold down each pair just before the beginning of each lacing channel. Relax the twist by spinning the conductors a couple times in the direction opposite the factory twist, then press into place. The cable retention features in the lacing channels will hold the conductors in place. Be sure that no conductors are protruding above the lacing channels before proceeding. Using a flush cutter, trim all 4 pairs even with the lacing channels and double check for proper lacing. The conductors should not protrude beyond the shelf shown here in the module. Now prepare the outlet for termination by aligning the keyed portion of the termination module shown here with the keyed slot provided in the back of the ZMAX outlet. Insert the termination module into the outlet as far as it will go. You should hear the latch, shown here, click past the first retention bump on the module. The second retention bump will lock the module in place when terminated with the Z-tool. To complete the termination, orient the ZMAX outlet opening in accordance with the RJ45 shape of the keyed lever and insert. Now depress the cam lever to complete the termination. The back of the termination module should now be flush with the housing. Panel mount outlets are virtually identical to workstation outlets, but do not include the colored bezel. Terminations are identical. The innovative design of the ZMAX workstation outlet allows the same module to be mounted in either a flat orientation or an angled orientation. The angled orientation can be accomplished by rotating the module 180 degrees and snapping into place using the mounting slot provided further back in the housing. The modules can be snapped in from the back as well as the front to allow for more flexible installation options. Each ZMAX outlet comes with an icon set including a color-matched blank and printed icon, and a printed blue and red icon depicting both phone and data symbols. Icon pockets are provided for both the angled mounting options as well as the flat mounting options. In the event of a miswired outlet, the ZMAX can be re-terminated. Use a small flat screwdriver inserted into the slot provided on the back of the outlet to disengage the latch. Alternately, a spare icon can also be used by inserting in place of the screwdriver. Grip the outlet housing tightly, pull the cable and module out the back.
If the module does not release easily, the screwdriver can be used to pry out as shown here. Be careful not to slip if using this method, and note the exact position and angle of the screwdriver to accomplish this successfully.